right? Now out of the remaining, which is minimum? It is 3. Therefore select this edge. Now so B is reachable from A. B is reachable from A with a cost of 3. C is already there as it is. I will write the next vertex to be considered as B, A, 3. Okay. Next, D and E are remaining. Now from B, is D reachable? Is there any edge from B to D? Yes. What is the cost? 2. However, from C we can reach D with a cost of 7. Now we can reach D from B with a cost of 2. So out of 2 and 7, which is minimum? 2. Therefore you will have to update this value, that is D is reachable from B with a cost of 2. Next, similarly E is reachable from B, because now you are considering B, hence B to E there is a edge. So B comma with a cost of 1. Alright. Now which is the minimum value? 1. You will have to choose B edge. So A, B, C here and E here. So it is 2, 3, 1. Now for the next iteration you have to choose E, B, 1. E, B, 1. Now from E to D, is there any edge? Yes. What is the cost? 5. However, we already have one more edge with a cost 2, which is lesser. Therefore I will retain D, B, 2 as it is, and I will choose this A, C, B, E, then B to D is the edge. So 2, 3, 1, 2. Done. And D, B, 2, nothing. And this is the minimum spanning tree, the required minimum spanning tree. And the cost of this minimum spanning tree is 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8. So total weight of the minimum spanning tree is 8, and this is the spanning tree. Alright. We shall look at one more example. Example 2. B, C, A, E, F, D. Three, 1, 6, 8, 2, 6, 5, 4, 4, 5. So this is the example given in the textbook. So tree, vertices, remaining vertices, illustration, okay. So you can start with any arbitrary tree vertex. I will choose A dash dash. Okay. Now from A, which are connected? B is connected, so B is reachable from A with a cost of 3. C is not directly reachable, dash infinity. D, same thing. So after the first iteration it is AB, which is having the less weight. Next, in the second iteration you have to choose for B, which is reachable via A with a cost of 3. And from B, yes, can we update any vertices? Just see C, is C reachable from B? Yes, with a cost of 1. Yes, updated. C is now reachable from B. B, C is a edge with a cost of 1. Next, D still as it is. E still as it is, which is reachable with a cost of 6 from A. Then F, yes, for F there is a cost that is 4. What is the previous cost for F? It was 5. So which is less? 4. Therefore update F B comma 4. So there is an edge from B to F, that is BF is the edge with the cost of 4. Now out of all this, the minimum is this cost, therefore select the edge BC. So I have selected the edge BC. Next, C B comma 1. Similarly update this. So D is now reachable from C with a cost of 6. Next, E, there is no change. F, yes, is F reachable from C? Yes. What is the cost? 4. What is the earlier cost? 4. So I will just retain this one. If you change it also, no problem. So I will just retain it as it is. Next, in this iteration the minimum cost is 4, therefore I will update it. Next, I choose F B comma 4. Then I update. D is now reachable from F. What is the cost? 5. What was earlier cost? 6. Therefore I will update for D, that is reachable from F with a cost of 5. Next, E is reachable from F with a cost of 2. What was the earlier cost for E? It was 6. Therefore I will update for E. Therefore I choose this edge in this iteration. Next, similarly I choose E F comma 2 and D as it is. Then this is the last stage, and this is the minimum spanning tree, and the overall cost is 15.